One tiny air bubble trapped inside this joint and $500 of masterwork explodes in the kiln. The hole punch driven into the leather-hard clay in perfect rows, not drilled, punched. A drill tears the edges, the punch removes a clean plug, and the hole stays open through firing. Liquid slip applied to the handle base and pressed home until it oozes from the joint. That overflow is proof the bond is solid. Spout trimmed to match the curve exactly. Attached, the seam detailed with a wooden pick. Kiln loaded, heavy door sealed. 2200 degrees turns dirt into stone. That is a master's pour.